Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let me create here one file called say home.html. We got two files here. One is the index, one is the home. Okay, home.html. This is the index.php. What you do in just a couple of days, we will start the MySQL and all database. Whatever you have, for example, login details, that will be in a database. That will be in a database. And we will, if we have at all a login page where a username and password, we have to check whether this is same as that in the database. Then only then we can log in and go to the home page. Right now we are not done with the databases, so we will plug in our password in some variable and we check with that variable. Okay, but next time we will do it with the database. We need to connect database, we need to create database, we need to connect to that, and we do a lot of stuff. We need to do that. You will see that in a series of videos. That's lecture 4. Okay. I mean unit 4. Unit 4 is about the databases, MySQL and PHP. Now, so we want to create some here. I want to create some login form. Huh? Simple as it is. So we will not go fancy. We just go for concepts. Sure. Okay. Enough. We'll see the practical application later. If you are not regular, then it won't happen. The things I'm planning won't happen at all. We will complete only syllabus then. Okay. Now I will want to create some here some login details. So I will have simply I will not go for the headers and navigations and all lot of things we need to make it here or CSS and JavaScript and all. I'm just concentrating on this thing only. So I'm gonna have a form, and form we're gonna get a post. Get a for the time you're gonna get method is get. Okay, and the action tells us where you want to go. I want to go to the same page, that is index.php. I want to go to the same page. Let me come back to the same page here. G, yes, I'm going to the same page. Okay, that means when I press the submit button, okay, when I press the submit button, it's going to go to the same page. Do not go to anywhere else. We're going to see here only. We're going to see in this page only whether username password is correct or not. So that means we need to have some database connections later on in this page. Right now we plug it those things in some variables. And method is get. Okay, that means your stuff will be whatever is on the form, all those input boxes and ready buttons and check boxes and everything is in an associative array $_get. Okay, right? If I'm saying get, that means PHP will put everything in the $_get associative array. Does it make sense? We had discussed it already last time. Now I want to have some label maybe. So I say label. Maybe I put up the pre tag so that everything comes. No, I don't want to put the line mess up and things. So pre will put up things the way I put up here, right? We have done the pre. I want label. Okay, for its name, and it should come with the name. What's your name or username or something? Huh? Just quickly to this Control S. The name is coming up there, right? And I want some input box. So how I should do? Input. It's type text, right? And name equals to, I said put up the txt in front on the back, whatever you like, and it's a name. Okay, txt name. Remember, put up some whatever the control is. Okay, if it is, say for example, the text box, put txt there. If it's a button, btn, so that we understand. Yes, in the coding that we are dealing with the text box and pertaining to the particular things. If it's a first name, I write first name. Okay, if it's username, I write here txt user name. It gives ease in the coding later and understanding of the coding also later on. Does it make sense? Okay, so what's happening here? I have not closed this thing. Control S. Now it's coming up there. I can put up the br tag. I don't need br tag because I'm in a pre. So if I put up a line here, it will put up a line there. right? And now I want to have a password. I want to have what? So I'm gonna go for another label. For this is the password, and I put up the what should be inside is the password, right? And one more input box. Why did I need to have what? I need to have a password. I need to have what? Uh-huh. That's this one, password. Type is password. Name is txt password. Okay. You can put up the IDs and all that. I don't need require them right now. Let's get rid of that because I don't want to use CSS. We know that. I want to go quickly to the concept. Okay. Does it make sense? Now I got now two things. One is the username and name and password. Now I need a submit button. How do submit button? Again, go to the input and what should be type? Submit. Not button, submit. Button will be any button. Submit means which takes the whole data where? Exactly. And value is submit. Value means what comes on the written on that. Okay. And type is submit. That means when I submit whatever is in these text boxes or any controls or any elements I have here, it will be where? It will be put to what we have done here, the method. Because the method is get, that means everything on this form. मेरे पास 10-15 टेक्स्ट बॉक्सेस हैं, टेक्स्ट एरियाज है, एज लिए मैंने, ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर, वो सारी चीजें मैंने ली हैं, वो सब की वैल्यू पेयर के हिसाब से गेट $_ गेट एसोसिएटेड अरे में डाला जाएगा. ठीक है. अभी मेरे पास दो ही चीजें हैं, नेम एंड पासवर्ड. आई हैव ओनली टू थिंग्स राइट नाउ. यप, दिस वे, सिट इन फ्रंट. अभी तो मेरे पास दो ही चीजें हैं. अगर मेरे 50 चीजें भी इस फॉर्म में होंगी, वो सारी की सारी कहां डाली जाएगी सबमिट के क्लिक करने के बाद? $_ गेट एसोसिएटिव अरे के अंदर एज अ की वैल्यू पेयर. की वैल्यू की इसका होगा, जो ये बॉक्स है इसका की होगा जो इसका अपना नाम रखा है, txt नेम, और वैल्यू होगा जो आप लिखोगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं लिखूंगा यहाँ पे जुनैद. ठीक है, व्हाटएवर, इफ आई राइट जुनैद, तो जुनैद विल बी द वैल्यू एंड द की विल बी txt नेम. एसोसिएटिव पढ़ी ना मैं परसों. ठीक है. इस तरह पासवर्ड, आई विल हैव द पासवर्ड, राइट. गिव मी अ सेक. If I write here post, then everything on form will be put after you click the submit button into the $_ post. That's another STD array. We have a lot of STD arrays like $_ session, $ cookies. We got the server, we got the get, we got the post, and many more. Okay, these are the super globals. What? Because they're global, they'll be accessible everywhere. That they will be, this get will be accessible not only in this form, in this web page, but also on the next web page. Okay, it will be available here also because they are super global. Do you understand? I may also want to have a reset button. If I want to have an input button and type is reset, what will reset do? It will reset whatever that is and call it reset. Okay. Control S. Now I got the reset. Maybe I need it downwards a little bit. It's a reset. Okay. Control S. Live server is kicking. So we are here. Now what I'm going to want to do is when the if I press reset, that means whatever there is, okay, no fear is there, and I'm going to password something, and you put a reset, okay, it should clear everything. It clears everything. Reset clears every inch of a form. That's it. The job of the reset. And submit has a job to put everything into the associative array depending on the method. It does two jobs. First, it put everything in a get, $_ get, and second, it will land us into what the action says. Action is saying what? That is going to the same page. You come back to the same page. And for that, I will use this PHP code on top of it. I will have a PHP here because I know I'm gonna come back to it because I'm saying get back to, because I want to ascertain username password is correct. If username password is correct, only then I want to move to the next page. Okay, I don't want to go to the next page and see whether username password is correct, and then if it's wrong, then I want to do something. But in this page only, I want to say that because I've had to come back to it if the username password is not correct. I want to give some information to the user, the give correct password. The credentials are not correct or something like that. So that means I'll open a PHP tag. How to do that? Question mark PHP, and how to end it? And end it. So okay. Now first thing I want to see, because if I do anything here, like I say echo, if I say echo hello, I'm doing echo hello, control S. It's saying अभी मैं कुछ भी नहीं किया hello तो फिर भी आ रहा है, लेकिन ये तब आना चाहिए जब सबमिट को क्लिक होगा, वो तब होगा जब डॉलर, और उससे क्या होगा, उससे ये होगा कि डॉलर अंडरस्कोर गेट के अंदर कुछ होगा, वो सेट होगा, सेट, तब जाके मेरे को ये काम करना चाहिए। तो ये हेलो में ये यहाँ पे कुछ करने से पहले मैं कहूंगा इफ इज सेट, if is set, what if is set dollar underscore get of, dollar underscore get should be capital, why is not getting, dollar underscore get of txt name. If txt name is set, not only that, I'll say and is set, what else, dollar underscore get of txt password. अगर ये दोनों सेट है तब मेरे को काम करना चाहिए, अगर, ठीक है ना, समझ में आ रही है, यानी कि अगर जब ये दोनों सेट है, कौन, अगर टेक्स्ट नेम सेट है, पासवर्ड भी सेट है, यानी कि इन दोनों में आया है कुछ, तब अगर इसे यूजर नेम दिया और पासवर्ड नहीं दिया, या पासवर्ड दिया यूजर नेम नहीं, तब नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं जब तभी करूंगा जब दोनों सेट होंगे, ठीक है ना, तब जाके कोई कुछ काम होगा। डज इट मेक सेंस? What shall I do then? Maybe I create some variables here. Dollar n name equals to, उसमें मैं डालूंगा वो वाला, कौन सा, डॉलर अंडरस्कोर गेट txt name, ये वाला डालूंगा मैं इसमें, यानी कि जो गेट के अंदर txt name है, txt name is the key, you say like जो आम एरे होते हैं वो इंडेक्स पे काम करते हैं ना, डॉलर अंडरस्कोर गेट ऑफ 0, but here you say dollar underscore get of key, whatever the key is, key value is txt name, उसका जो वैल्यू है वो जाएगा किसमें, वो, लेकिन तभी जब वो सेट होगा, पहले अगर सेट नहीं होगा तब नहीं करना, अगर सेट हुआ है तब जाके जो उसमें जो वैल्यू है वो एन में डालेगा, ठीक है, टर्मिनेटर। और मैं डॉलर पासवर्ड के लिए पी करता हूं, बाद में हम प्रॉपरली करते हैं, और मैं उसमें मैं डालूंगा ये, अगर पहले ये सेट है तो हम पी और एन में डालेंगे ये कंट्रोल भी, ठीक है ना, समझ में आ रही है। मैं पहले यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल खड़ा करता हूँ जो कि हमें एक्चुअली डेटाबेस से लाना है, but I will plug this into the some variables. Say dollar underscore name, dollar underscore name, not underscore name, it says dollar name, whatever. I could say dollar underscore name, but I say dollar name is equal to, say name is Junaid, and dollar password, okay, I'll be correct, don't worry, 1 2 3 4 5, but this thing I will get from where? Right now I'm plugging into some variables because I don't know database right now, ठीक है। Now मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, कंपेयर किसको करूंगा, NNP को, N के अंदर क्या है, N के अंदर है वही चीज जो आपने कहाँ डाली है, इस कहाँ गया है, दिस वन, ओके ओके, N के अंदर वही है जो यहाँ पे नाम होगा, because what is the name of this text box, txt name, and इसका वैल्यू किसके अंदर होगा, डॉलर अंडरस्कोर गेट एसोसिएटिव एरे में, है ना, डॉलर अंडरस्कोर गेट जो एसोसिएटिव एरे हमारे पास है ना, उसके अंदर होगा की वैल्यू होगा txt नेम, और वैल्यू होगा उसका जो मैं यहाँ पे डालूंगा, इसी तरह से उसमें उसी गेट के अंदर हमारे पास होगा txt की वैल्यू होगा txt पासवर्ड, आपको समझ आ रहा है बेटा, और वैल्यू क्या होगा जो मैं पासवर्ड डालूंगा। अब वो चीजें मैं डाल रहा हूँ किसमें, एन और पी में। Now I need to compare this name with this n and password with this p. If both are correct, then I should go to the home page. Okay, then I should go to what? That means I will use here if. I'm saying if dollar n equals to dollar name and dollar p equals to dollar password. Okay, अगर ये है तो लॉगिन करना चाहिए मेरे को, ये तो ठीक है, लॉगिन सक्सेसफुल कह सकते हैं। मैसेज करिए, हम वहां जाएंगे कहाँ पे, I will go to the next page, home page। home page बनाया ना हमने यहाँ पे, we created this home.html, this home.html I will write here something। समझ में आ रहा है भाई साहब? अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे बोलेंगे आप तो मैं समझाऊंगा। जैसे यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा एक h1 टैग और मैं कहूंगा भाई साहब ये होम पेज है, दिस इज द होम पेज, कंट्रोल एस। ओके, इंडेक्स पे आएंगे, कंट्रोल एस हियर आल्सो। I want to do what? I want to see if they are same. If they are same, what should I do? What should I do? I should, if they are same, यानी कि जो मेरे डेटाबेस के अंदर, अभी डेटाबेस तो है नहीं, अभी जो मैंने वर्क किया मैंने डायरेक्ट, जो नेम और पासवर्ड था अगर वो करेक्ट आ गया, लॉगिन करेक्ट हो गया, तो आई शुड गो टू वेयर, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव ए in PHP header। Okay, we got a header, we got what, and then we say location, in fact I should say in the double quotes, location colon, कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा हमें, home डॉट html, ठीक है ना, तो वहां जाए आप। इसका else अगर नहीं है करेक्ट, मे बी आई विल इको हियर ओनली, echo इको, हाँ, इनकरेक्ट क्रेडेंशियल्स। फिर इसको एडवांस करना है कि अब पासवर्ड करेक्ट था या नेम गलत गलत था या दोनों गलत थे, उसमें इफ एल्स लेटर के हिसाब से वो करेंगे सारा, ठीक है। यार मैं कॉन्सेप्ट्स कर रहा हूँ हेडर इसका, $get का, ठीक है ना, कंट्रोल एस। देयर इज सम इशू, व्हाट इज दैट, हाँ, ओ यस। तो अगर मेरा जुनैद है और पासवर्ड क्या है 1 2 3 4 5, तो ये गलत होगा ना, सबमिट, इनकरेक्ट क्रेडेंशियल्स बोल रहा है क्योंकि हमने गलत दिया। लेकिन अगर आप एक चीज देखोगे इसकी, इसके अंदर यहाँ पे URL चेक करोगे आप, ये गेट का परेशानी, जो आपका गेट मेथड जो आपने यहाँ पे फॉर्म के अंदर किया, गेट मेथड वो स्टफ करता है सारी चीजें कहाँ, और पासवर्ड आपका इसमें तो सही दिख रहा है। सो आराम से हैकर आपका पासवर्ड यूआरएल से लेके हैक करेगा, राइट, वी शुड बी डूइंग दैट। बस में भी समझ आती है। हाँ, कभी गेट इजी हो जाता है और क्योंकि हमें यूआरएल से चीजें मिल जाती है, सो इट बिकम्स इजियर, नॉट फॉर द पासवर्ड, फॉर द, यू अंडरस्टैंड, तो इसलिए हमें पोस्ट इस्तेमाल करना है, ठीक है, should use what, does make sense? Okay, फिलहाल अगर मैं इसको मैं कंट्रोल सी, I will get it back to where it was, I will get it back। यहाँ पे index.php लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, you need to go to the folder, वेबसाइट के अंदर जब आप किस फोल्डर में जाते हैं index.php ऑटोमेटिकली खुलता है, वो भी लिखने की जरूरत, आप जो इस्लामिया कॉलेज डॉट लिख रहे हो वहां पे आप index.asp नहीं लिख रहे हो, वो ASP में बनी है, ठीक है, वहां index.asp नहीं लिख रहे हो, ऑटोमेटिकली हो रहा है, because index में तो ऑटोमेटिक, as you could see here I said localhost, my localhost is the web address। Today our web server is the same system, that's why we write localhost। Tomorrow we will be given some domain, when we create a website we will give a domain, then the domain will have some name, www dot whatever dot, and your site of the website name or whatever। So localhost will be actually the address of that machine which is hosting your site, okay, that will later part, maybe we discuss that later। But if I am giving the correct password and this, if I'm saying Junaid maybe, and password is 1 2 3 5, okay, and I can say submit. It's going to the home page because that login is correct. So where from we got these things? The username, password. We got it from the $_get $_ and but I told you this whole thing will be in where? URL. So for that we need to do one thing. We need to convert this get into the post. Okay, that's downside. We need to go here and we need to tell this form that action, okay, action is the same page. I want to see the credentials here only, and but my method is not get, but is the post. So that means I need to change top also, because now my stuff is not in a get, it is in what? So I need to change it. I will press the alt key and click here, wherever the get is. Okay, click here. In your get? No, no. Okay, now I go 3 back and write in cap post. Write everywhere, right? Now it should work fine. और मत कहीं पे post. Okay, now damn, what happened? Okay, now Control S straight, and it should work fine. I am saying Junaid, and I am saying what? I'm saying 1 2 3 5 and submit. It doesn't submit. There is some issue. हाँ, ये पुराना ही कर रहा है अभी. वो कौन सा? इसका वो ही चल रहा है ना अभी, गेट वाला ही. पुराने पेज पे था. Control S to this. Okay, now right Junaid, and write some correct password. 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, 1 2 3 5. Submit. It's again not submitting. Why so? ये फिर भी गेट ही कर रहा है मुझे लगता है. हाँ, ये तो गेट ही कर रहा है. मतलब पोस्ट किया हमने तो फिर भी गेट ही कर रहा है. यूआरएल में आ रहा है ना, तो कुछ गड़बड़ हमने कहीं पे किया. लेट अस सी. अब देखो गेट के जगह जो पोस्ट हमें लगाना है वो हमने कहाँ पे लगाया है? $_post of txt password, name and piece password, location, and this is correct, totally correct. मुझे लगता है oh that's the problem. Control S. ये सेव ही नहीं हुआ था ना, ये पुराना ही ले रहा था. Now इसको मत कुछ और साथ है. We'll cut all those get stuff ना. ये ना get stuff को सारा था ना इसको. अब आ गया ये अपनी इस पे. Now hopefully it is gonna work perfectly. 1 2 3 5 and say submit. It's gonna go to the home page because login is correct. You can also give the alert login is correct. Okay, using JavaScript and all. You understand? But we may have one more thing. That's the request. That's what. Whether you use get or you use post in the method part of the form, you can still use the request, right? Because request is another associative array which holds still the things. If you write a post, $_post will have things, $_get will have nothing, right? But request still will have all those things. If you use get, $_post will not have things, but request still will have in it. So request has the, so no matter what you do, the request has, if I get the things from the request, I say alt, pressing this alt, and I clear this up and I say request. I say what? REQUEST, request. It will still work. Control S. Go back, baby. Write the pass correct. So first reset it. Write the correct username and password. 1 2 3 5. It's gonna work like a charm. Even though you have a get here, you have what? I'm saying even though you have a get here, I'm having right now post. Even though I have a get, request will still work. Because in material you have a get in the method or the post in the method, request will have the data. Getting? Control S, it's still gonna work properly. Incorrect credentials because I haven't given anything. In fact, I should say it is an empty. For that we have an empty method. Okay, to check whether this is empty. For example, लंबा चौड़ा फॉर्म है, आपने छोड़ दिया जिसमें हम स्टार डाला हुआ, तो हमें आगे जाना ही नहीं है, तो उसमें इज एम्प्टी आता है. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll continue with this thing. Maybe we move on to the database type, the unit 4. That's the database. Okay. Now we want to fetch everything from where, and then polishing and all that will be separate issue.